Is your Apple CarPlay failing to launch in your Chevy Blazer? Let us walk through the simple fixes to get you back online. Statistically, most connectivity issues are caused by simple cable faults or minor handshake errors between your phone and the infotainment system. Before you visit the dealership, run through these diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by swapping your USB cable for an official Apple certified one, then toggle your phone's Bluetooth and repair the device to the Blazer. Physical port damage, outdated iOS firmware, or a frozen infotainment module are the most frequent reasons for a failed connection. If the software is glitching, perform a hard reboot on the Blazer's head unit by holding the home and volume buttons until the screen restarts. Most fixes are easy home tasks, but if the USB hardware itself is damaged, you will need a professional technician to replace the port. As you can see, cables account for the vast majority of connectivity failures in these vehicles. If you're still struggling, double-check your phone's privacy restrictions and clean the USB console port with compressed air. Keep a high-quality cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, the most advanced system in the world is only as reliable as its weakest connection point. If these steps fixed your connection, drop a comment below and subscribe for more Blazer maintenance tips.